Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Learning. In this video we learn meaning of difficult in English and Hindi with examples. If you found this video helpful, then please hit like button and share this video. Difficult means in English is needing much effort or skill to accomplish, deal with or understand. डिफिकल्ट का हिंदी अर्थ होता है कठिन, मुश्किल, जटिल या दुष्कर. Nothing is difficult to the man who will try. जो आदमी कोशिश करेगा उसके लिए कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं है. That would be difficult. यह कठिन होगा. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please subscribe to our channel, or if you are watching it on Facebook, kindly follow our page, and also don't forget to like and share this video.